What is my favorite marketing tool out of all the marketing tools that I use to list and sell a home? That would be professional photos. Now, I realize professional photos have been around for the longest time, but what has really been a game changer over the last 7 years or so is this, the smartphone. The smartphone has changed the landscape of how we now access the internet. 60% of all searches on Google are done through a smartphone. 90% of all buyers find their home online. So even though professional photos have been around for the longest time, they're that much more important just because of the sheer number of people accessing the internet. It's for this reason I always send out a highly qualified professional photographer to every listing of mine to produce the best photos possible for my sellers.